My servant, I sent you the Quran as light, not as a decoration. I called you to prayer not to burden you but to save you. And yet, you heard my words and turned away. You knew the time of Salah and chose sleep. You knew the truth and delayed it again and again. Do you think neglect leaves no trace? There are consequences for what the heart abandons before the body does. Salah was the rope between you and me. When you let go of it, you let go of protection. You were not punished because you were weak. You were warned because you were aware. The prophet was shown a vision, not to scare you without hope, but to wake you before it is too late. A man struck again and again, not because Allah is unjust, but because he knew the prayer and chose to ignore it. His punishment repeated because his neglect was repeated. Understand this: I do not delight in punishment, I delight in repentance. If you return back the grave, the door remains open. If you wake up for one prayer, the angels rejoice. If you bow even once sincerely, mercy meets you before your forehead touch the ground. Do not say, I will start when my life is better. Salah is what makes life better. Do not wait until warnings become reality. Do not trade eternity for comfort. Return to me now before sleep becomes regret, before delay becomes loss. I am Allah. I want you because I want you safe. Divine prayer. O Allah, forgive us for every prayer we delayed, every call we ignored, and every moment we chose sleep over you. Wake our hearts before you wake us in the grave. Make Salah beloved to us, not heavy upon us. Remove laziness, strengthen our resolve, and make us among those who guard their prayers with sincerity. Do not hold us accountable for what we now regret. Accept our repentance, restore our connection to you, and allow us to meet you with sujood, not shame. Ya Allah, never let us abandon the prayer again. Ameen. If you love Allah, join our family by subscribing for more uplifting messages. May Allah bless you always.